Okay, it's freezing and it's southern Indiana snowstorm. So, yeah. Okay, watch this. All right, watch. Whoop. I'm 5'7". So, look at my Jeep. What the heck? This is not normal for around here. We don't get this much snow. We're like all kind of freaking out. What the hell? My tires. I got out yesterday, so it's already sitting on like 4 inches of snow. Somebody's without power.
Not ready to come out. Send this to JJ.
I will.
No.
Safe to say we won't be doing much around here. But why is it still snowing?